Hi, I'm Kev from 24/7 Blinds, and in this video we're going to take a look at how to measure your window to fit blinds. Blinds are a quick and inexpensive way to add privacy to any window, but they're also great if you want to add colour, texture or a design statement to almost any room. And once you have your measurements saved, swapping or personalising these blinds can be a great way to freshen up a room style throughout the year. So let's get started and take a look at what you're going to need to measure this window. To measure for your blinds, you're going to need a metal tape measure, a pencil and a notepad. And throughout this and all of our videos, we'll be referring to all measurements in centimetres. Before we start taking measurements, we need to know where we're going to be fitting the blinds and what style of window you're going to be fitting the blinds to. We provide blinds and shutters to suit almost any type of window, from skylights to bifolds, conservatories to traditional window settings. Once you know what style of window we are working with, the rest is fairly straightforward. In this video, we're going to be focusing on a traditional window setting, the kind that you might find in your lounge, dining room, kitchen or perhaps a bedroom. If, however, your window style is different to this one, then simply click the video link below to find information on how to measure for your window style. The next thing you need to decide is where you're going to be fitting your blinds or shutters. There are two ways to fit a blind to any window, either inside the recess or outside the recess. So long as your windows open outwards or your doors slide open and you have a recess depth of approximately 6 centimetres or more, then you should be looking to use an inside the recess or recess fit option. This is the most common and contemporary way to fit blinds to any window. If your windows open inwards or your recesses are shallower than 6 centimetres, then an outside the recess or exact measurement may be the best option for you. In which case, we recommend you add 6 centimetres all the way around the recess of the window. Today we're going to focus on the most common inside the recess measurements. We're going to start by measuring the width, and don't just measure to the edge of the window panels, the window frames, measure all the way to the edge of the window recess itself. And you're going to need to make 3 measurements. Take one at the top, one across the middle, and then one lower down across the full width. Now do the same for the height or drop. We're going to use the smallest set of figures to ensure we get a consistent fit along the entire recess of the window. All that's left to do is to head over to the website, select your choice of blind from our wide range of styles and colours, and enter your measurements. Don't forget to select whether you need inside or outside the recess blinds, and which side you would like to put the blinds controls on. And you're all set. Click the link below to find out how to fit your brand new blinds.